Today's menu is a super easy cauliflower recipe that turns out to be super delicious. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. We will first roast the cauliflower. You can even air fry it. Cut a small cauliflower into small florets and try making the sizes equal. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of oil. Give a good mix and in it goes into a 400 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the cauliflower comes out of the oven looking so gorgeous with those browned up crispy bits. That's all flavor, my friends, and how simple was that with just a teaspoon of oil. Next, pan out. Heat about a tablespoon of oil on medium heat. When the oil turns hot, lower the heat to low and add a teaspoon of panch phoron, that is Bengali 5 spices. Panch phoron is a combination of 5 whole aromatic spices, and I have a video on that as well. If you do not want to use panch phoron, you can use just cumin seeds, but it won't be as flavorful as this. Next, finely chopped onion goes in. Fry the onions till they just turn a little pale. Then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste on low heat for a minute. Next, add a chopped tomato followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, and a teaspoon of Sabji masala. Sabji in Hindi means vegetables, so this spice powder can be used for any vegetable recipe, and I make this masala at home. I will leave the link to my Sabji masala video in the description box. After stirring for a minute on low heat, the next set of veggies enter the pan. I am using red and green bell pepper. You can use only green or any colored bell pepper of your choice. Then a teaspoon of salt and a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir for a few minutes. Then in goes the roasted cauliflower. I also added just a handful of frozen green peas. You can also use fresh green peas. Next, I sprinkle just a handful of water. Then lid on, low heat, and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. 5 minutes done. Add some chopped fresh coriander leaves and you've got this delicious dish which can be served as a side alongside your main meal. I serve it with rice or roti. And doesn't it look pretty? The cauliflower also hasn't turned mushy-dushy. Since it was roasted, it holds up to its shape and tastes so good. Please send me your feedback after trying this recipe and please click that like button for me. Bye bye.